أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. به أستعين في جميع الأمور. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم وارحم كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Blessed Friday greetings from President of Science TQLMA Club, engaged in making Sam's Tesla 53 PGCs ballpoint and 353 grams gold bars for economic re-engineering of mother earth. Everyone can participate in our program by simply owning and share of Sam's TQLMA Club high technology companies of $80, and to get the New Year gift of Sam's Tesla 53 PGCs gold coin, to earn 5,300 PGCs to enroll in Global Executive MBA and Climate Smart Business with Traction, to build their home in their university campuses in Sam's Wheel of Life Farms to Tesla Power and Saadah Davos. The starting point, the prerequisite for GEMBA is a diploma, 6 months diploma course offered by Preston Institute of Management Science and Technology. It's a US $253 program. So everyone can join this program because there is no prerequisite of joining this. People without any qualification also can join the program. We encourage parents to join this program along with their children so that a family can be re-engineered. So join this program to initiate this wonderful journey of climate smart business with traction. तो सर अब फ्लोर आपके पास है और आप बताएं कि आप पाकिस्तान को और आज़ाद कश्मीर को कैसे री इंजीनियर करेंगे।
जी बिल्कुल ठीक। बेसिकली जो है वो हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं यूथ डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर, और जब यूथ डेवलपमेंट की बात आती है तो ये बहुत बड़ा एक सब्जेक्ट है। सबसे पहले जो है ना, मैं आपका शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि आपने ये सारा प्लान किया। हमारी एक ही मीटिंग के दौरान जो है ना वो कुछ टाइम मिला डिस्कस करने का, तो आज का प्लेटफॉर्म जो है इसके थ्रू एटलीस्ट जो है ना वो हम अपना मैसेज दे सकते हैं कि क्या क्या चीज़ें हम लोग कर रहे हैं और क्या क्या चीज़ें हम पाकिस्तान की यूथ के लिए, कश्मीर की यूथ के लिए और दुनिया के दूसरे ममालिक में जो लोग रह रहे हैं उनके लिए कर रहे हैं और कर सकते हैं।
अच्छा, अब
तो
आपने
मैं
ये
स्टार्टअप
पैगाम अभी उर्दू में तो थोड़ा सा समराइज कर ही दिया ना, क्योंकि हमारा
जी जी
ऑडियंस ग्लोबल है। मैं चाहूंगा कि
बिल्कुल
आप अंग्रेजी में अपना तारुफ करवा दो, खास तौर पे आपका जो ग्लोबल सेटअप पूरा है ना उसका तारुफ अंग्रेजी में करवा दो ताकि एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड्स। और फिर मैं चाहूंगा कि आखिरी में आप अपनी लोकल जबान में भी तारुफ करवा दो। ठीक है, तो अभी इंग्लिश में आप कर दें समराइज अपने पूरे प्रोग्राम को, और आखिरी में फिर हम लोकल लैंग्वेज में भी आपकी भी हम समरी उसकी ले लेंगे। ठीक है, गो अहेड।
जी बिल्कुल बेहतर। My name is Atiq Raja, and I have been working on youth development for more than 18 years. Actually, this journey started when I returned back from UK. So there was an idea, an observation, experience to see the youth development and the investment on youth in UK. And back here, in Pakistan, there was a huge difference. So there was a dream, like, the Martin Luther King Jr. says that I have a dream. So I feel that, I had the same kind of dream in this way, that we should contribute and do something for Pakistani youth, and started this initiative with career counseling, small sessions on career counseling, because I felt that we are still lacking even after these all years on career counseling. We need the career path. We need the people like you who should come forward and help in building the careers of the youngsters. So that was it. And I would say that the social media became a blessing. The things started just from, very small areas. They got the expansion, they got the acceptance, and people started calling for the as well as by different organizations, national level organization, even the international organization. So things went on from career counseling to further whatever could be contributed in youth development. And there it comes, like where we started working on the development of soft skills, such as communication skills, public speaking, emotional intelligence, leadership, problem solving, confidence building, and so on. Somehow you can make all them as the self development, self grooming, self help courses as well. And these were there beside all different kind of motivational sessions, where I feel that we had a great response, because there was a great need of such kind of trainings, such kind of interactive sessions. Things went on, and then I got a chance to represent Asia in Europe, and that was a kind of huge honor that I got an invitation from Portugal, and I was. So welcome back again.
Yeah, welcome back.
There was a little interruption. So it went on. Here it comes that I was the only Pakistani, as well as the only Asian in that event at Viana do Castelo. Landed at Lisbon, then took a train to Porto, then Porto to Viana do Castelo.
Okay.
And my name was in one of the session, which was a talk, a dialogue, where the president of Portugal was also present.
Wonderful.
So it was a huge honor, a great honor, and I can be seen on the official embassy website of Portugal, in Embassy of Portugal in Pakistan.
Okay.
Further, got a chances to work and invitations from 16 other countries. That also gave me a platform, chances to speak again and again, and polish my own learnings, own skills, and deliver whatever was possible in the available capacities. Here also got a chance to work on the activism, because a different kind of activism are available around the world. But I feel again quite humbled in this thing, that we worked on the worked with Pakistan's national organizations who are fighting the war on terror as allies to the US forces, and where we were on the ground talking about, having dialogues with the young minds about the how extremism can be tackled, how people of such peaceful continents, such peaceful fallings of faiths, they should be more careful, because they are the people who are responsible and who have more duty and obligation to bring the peace to this world. And there I feel quite happy and quite honored that these our efforts were being recognized by South Korea and Sri Lanka, from where I received 2 international peace awards for the contribution on towards the world peace. Because here I say that we led this campaign in such a way where the message went not only all over the country but all over the world, that these people are peace lovers and they want to come up, they want to come in front, they want to lead the peace campaigns. So this was very good. I believe that and still this effort is continue wherever we share these soft skills, wherever we share the education, wherever we share the other things like climate change and all. We keep this peace thing there, that so the only solution to the world is peace.
Wonderful.
As we in Iran, so it is something what is quite hurting and quite disturbing as well, that a thing which can be solved through the table talk, through the dialogue, through the diplomatic channels. For that, I would say that both neighboring countries need to play the role to understand that how excuse me, how the world is already facing the COVID crisis, post-COVID crisis, where the world is facing high inflation. We have in the country political crisis are there, social crisis, economical crisis. So we need the peace. We need the solution through the peace. And now I would just come on the point that where I had a chance to be in the US. US was my 17th country, where I was now for more than 5 months.
Okay.
And the purpose was there that I was attending different kind of events. There were the UN Climate Week. It was fully packed, and I had a chance to attend different kind of conferences, seminars, trainings. Apart from that, I had a chance to visit 13 universities, as well as different other places for the recreation. It was a lot because I wanted to have clear my perceptions on different things, what we get through the media, social media, and the other mouth. Because everyone, when you are there to analyze the things yourself, so that is something I got a lot of material for my one more book I'm going to write, that how the nations develop and how the systems work, and where we are lacking as a nation, where we are lacking as a country. What do we need to do to follow the footsteps of such nations that are growing very fast. So excuse me, I can have some water.
Sure.
Thank you. So this was something really great. And now I would just like to come on this point that overall in these 18 years, to my satisfaction, to my understanding, to my belief, we have done a lot. The first thing, that lifelong learning chapters are keep coming, and I believe that all these years were marvelous, amazing. And the biggest gratitude to the divine, to the creator, to the God, to whatever the faith people are listening, that is that still I'm alive and I'm contributing, I'm learning, and I'm loving it.
Wonderful.
So this gratitude makes more humble and even gives more energy, that we all are highly blessed. The only thing is needed that we need to just realize whatever the frequencies, whatever the capabilities, capacities, blessings we have, and how we can utilize for serving the mankind, for serving the humanity. At this stage, now I would like to share that what is the more focus beside all these activism, talking on the peace, talking on climate change, talking on human rights. The more focus is there that our youth, as well as the youth of the world, needs to equip themselves with these soft skills on continuous basis.
Correct.
Now, these soft skills, when we talk about, there are a lot of soft skills. I guess that if we start learning them, they never end throughout our lives.
Learning
But in the
right.
basics right now, as I said, we are focusing more on communication skills, leadership, public speaking, emotional intelligence, problem solving. These are the basic we are focusing more, and these are the soft skills. They are necessary for each and everyone.
Correct.
They are needed to be developed from, I would say a primary school, and then they go up to university, and even, the most senior executive levels of the corporate sector.
Correct.
So here I offer to the world what I'm doing and what my team is doing through you as well, that let's get together and in whatever capacities around the world we can work, and we can, help the young minds, help the mature minds, help the senior minds for building their skills wherever they are further. I always say whenever I interact, even I had, a lot of meetings in US as well, that people say that the organizations carry PhD
There was a little, there is a little technical issue, and Brother Raja will be joining us soon as the issues are resolved. But we are ready really to utilize the wisdom and experience of Brother Raja in teaching our 7 million engineers and 2 billion mothers the skills to become a benchmark social entrepreneurs by joining our 6 months diploma in global executive business with traction. And after that, obviously, you will be earning to join Global Executive MBA in Climate Smart Business with Traction, and building your home in Sam's Wheel of Life Farm School, Tesla Powered and Saadah Towers, which we are building in global university campuses, farms, and gold mines. So I would welcome everyone to join our program and enjoy inflation-free, triple quality life. वो सारे खुशनसीब हजरात Mr. Atiq Raja is back, and I think we'll continue, his journey towards, re-engineering Mother Earth. Here, please. So continue,
Thank
sir.
you very much. And this is very interesting because if we don't, face here the electricity is going, because the developed countries cannot understand this phenomena.
Correct.
That we have, the light going and light coming, we celebrate.
And I
So
think
this is
that is the reason we want Mr. Elon Musk to assure that internet connectivity is continual through his satellite system. And he is going to make sure that in Pakistan, there will be no electricity breakdown because he is providing electric power to all facilities, residential and commercial. And I was talking to him yesterday, and he says, Mufaddal, where is $10 million? Because I need to send $10 million to him in Musk Foundation. And the model which we have developed is basically this, that, we do this $10 billion from each country, and $10 billion of foreign direct investment will come. And I will introduce you to one of my partners from Uganda, who is also joining us now. So briefly, you will be meeting him also. So that is the plan basically which we have, and I think we are ready to really move forward to re-engineer Mother Earth. So you can continue with your concluding sort of session. That fine, this is how you will be contributing in our diploma in global executive diploma in basically climate smart business with traction. So after that, we will give a chance to Muhammad to introduce himself.
Thank you very much. So I would just like to conclude on these remarks that we are open to the world, and these, soft skills trainings, mostly trainings are of 1 day and 2 days, physical as well as online trainings. But we can also, arrange these trainings according to the need of the organizations as well. And not only limited to these organizations, we can even, prepare the trainings according to the need of the organizations as well. We have a complete team of national and international trainers beside my own expertise. So, and one big offer right now, anybody from around the world contacts any organization with the reference of Mufaddal Sahib, I would say that straight away we would offer 25% discount to everyone. Every organization contacts us with your reference.
Wonderful.
And
Wonderful.
Once we meet, inshallah, we will talk about the further, collaborating on this as well, that whoever comes from your community, and even we can plan something with your community where we can offer them, straight away, that will be only for your community, where we can work with them and we can offer them even further discounts, and we can start working and developing their skills, and we can make it, a kind of course in such a way that we can add up all these things, and we can make a kind of a capsule, a kind of integrated kind of training program which can be completed in 15 sessions.
Wonderful.
That will be 4 to 6 hours, and we can complete them in 15 days, and they can have the diploma, they can have the certificate, and more than that, I say, because I do not depend that much on the diplomas and certificates, but I say that in 15 days they can learn whatever I have tried to learn in these only not 18 years, but before as well, when I was in different other countries trying to learn, and gather my all these knowledge, expertise.
Okay, thank you very much. And I think I will give the floor to Brother Muhammad Kasule, who is engaged in re-engineering Uganda, and he will be providing us with all the gold and diamonds, etc., which we will be, adding value to both in Uganda as well as in Pakistan. So, Brother Muhammad Kasule, my very good friend from Uganda, welcome back, and please introduce our plan.
Thank you so much. I can say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam.
First of all, I would like to apologize for coming late, joining late.
No issues.
I've been a little bit busy with another Zoom.
Correct.
With the family. Yes.
Okay.
Actually, based on our yesterday presentation, I'm more than honored to provide all the services all the minerals, and we are willing to export and check all the minerals, the
Correct.
diamonds and the gold from the mines direct to the end user.
Correct. Okay.
As far as we are together as a team.
Okay.
Number two, we want to, I brought a proposal yesterday that we would like to extend Bridge Party, our party, as a president, I was a president of Bridge Party, but 5 years have elapsed. I'm no longer president. So I would like to extend Bridge Party to Karachi.
Okay.
And then we would like to arrange a conference for all the members so that they can elect president. I don't know whether Professor, you will be the current president. God knows.
I think what I would recommend is, based on the global experience of Mr. Atiq Raja, I would recommend him to really be the president. And then basically we want qualified individuals with global experience who can communicate with the world leaders to lead the show. So I would recommend Atiq to become the president of Bridge Party also, and then help all the leaders of Pakistan to unite, all the leaders of the world to unite and work on a common goal of serving the people rather than fighting among themselves.
That's good. That's good.
So, Brother Atiq Raja, you know, I mean, with this officially, I'm announcing this that
thank you very much.
you will become the president of Bridge Party, you know, and which is a party, you know, developed by Brother Muhammad Kasule in Uganda. And the idea behind that party was to bridge the gap between poor and rich. And, you know, we have middle class in Pakistan, but in Africa, there are only two classes: super rich people like Mr. Muhammad Kasule, and the super poor people, you know, whom I've really met. I physically met them, you know, in East Africa. So Brother Muhammad knows, you know, the journey which I had, and was really honored, you know, to see all the hospitality which was offered to me during my trip to Uganda by Brother Muhammad Kasule. And now I think we are ready to re-engineer Mother Earth, not just Uganda and Pakistan, in collaboration with Mr. Elon Musk. Okay, he's a benchmark entrepreneur, the benchmark leader, and our arrangement, I'm going to announce that also in this meeting. Our arrangement with him is this, that, you know, we need to enroll about 1,300 to 1,500 individuals, professionals in Global Executive MBA, in Climate Smart Business with Traction from each country, that will give us about $100 million to send to Musk Foundation. Okay, once we send that amount to Musk Foundation, you know, $10 billion of foreign direct investment is coming to that country. So, you know, I mean, nobody can say no to it, you know, with that kind of a proposal. Okay, so Mr. Elon Musk is a fantastic entrepreneur. He's the richest man of the world. And I have made him a promise that in 2024, I will make him a trillionaire, guaranteed. Okay, so
Inshallah,
that's my promise.
inshallah.
So that's my promise to him. And now I think collectively we are ready to move forward. And I think in this meeting, we will make sure that now, you know, we should not be talking about things. We talked a lot, you know, when I was in Uganda also, and as a professor, I'm in the business of talking. Okay, and as a trainer, Brother Atiq Raja is in the business of, you know, training and talking. But now what we will do is we will use the model of Malaysia. In Malaysia, you know, I mean, they are COPs, cooperative of practitioners. They don't talk, they practice. Okay, so it's very, very important to really teach our young people not to talk, but to practice and show it to the people what they are made of. Because I believe that this trillion gigabyte of data is available in each individual DNA of a human being. Okay. And Brother Atiq Raja and, all the professors are able to really, bring the best out of them. So I think that is what we are after. We will definitely, train 2 billion mothers and 7 million plus engineers, in our, climate smart business with traction program. We want to make sure that they are successful social entrepreneurs. In 53 months, they will become a millionaire. And I am telling everybody that millionaire will be the very poor person in our SAM's TQLMA club members, because we are talking about $5 trillion a year industry, which we are operating. And, at least all my SAM's TQLMA club members should become a billionaire. So millionaire is a, promise. We will definitely become a millionaire in 53 months. But our target is to continually improve, move forward, and with the gold and diamond, business, with climate smart food business, climate smart construction business, I think nobody stops us.
Wonderful.
So finally, I think 1 minute with a dua from Brother Muhammad, 1 minute from Brother Atiq Raja. We conclude this session, and then what we will simply do is we are agreeing on it that we will have follow-up sessions to launch Bridge Party Pakistan. And that session, president will be Mr. Atiq Raja, and he will make sure that he really unites everybody. 1 minute.
Inshallah.
Brother Muhammad, 1 minute. Final, 1 minute, the dua from you.
Thank you very much for your proposal. What I could say, because when you say something, you cannot say no. But what I can ask is Brother Raj to give us his photos and details on email, so that we can put him, we can upload him on the system of the website.
Correct.
Is it okay?
Definitely
Yes.
we'll do it. But now I think the idea is this. Okay, now I want you to, in 1 minute,
Yes, sir.
I want you to give the message in your language, Swahili.
Okay, I'll give the message in Luganda, in the Kampala, Luganda.
In the Kampala language, yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Kakati Mr. Fadala yajja n'atukyalira twagala kola bridge party to bridginge tugatte abaavu n'abagagga naye nga tufocusinga ku programs, developmental programs ez'abantu abagagga n'abaavu, okubalinyisa amadaala n'ensonga za agriculture, okulima, zonna tuziteeke mu bridge party, then tube nga tutambula. Essaawa eno Professor Dr. Mufadala asazeewo acting president abeere Mr. Ravi agenda tuwa details ze tuziteeke ku website yaffe until tunakola bridge party Karachi, then tutuule tukole concession with other companies. Kale mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And Brother Atiq, I would like you to probably give this message in your local language.
Right. I can just, do in Urdu so everybody can understand it.
No, Urdu is fine. Urdu is fine, but I think if you can do it in Pashto or you speak Pashto.
नहीं है, असल में उर्दू ज्यादातर उर्दू यूज करते हैं और उर्दू एक ऐसी हमारी लैंग्वेज है कि जो मेरे ख्याल में न सिर्फ पूरे पाकिस्तान में बल्कि कश्मीर, गिलगित बल्तिस्तान सबको समझ आ सकती है,
हर जगह समझ में आती है। तो आप उर्दू में अपना एक पैगाम जो है ना समराइज कर दे बस।
जी, मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ आपका प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर मुफद्दल मिर्जा साहब और मेरे दोस्त युगांडा से मोहम्मद के उन्होंने आज की मीटिंग में जो है वो कुछ नई चीजें सामने लाए हैं। अच्छा, ये जो आपका प्रपोजल है, आई वेलकम इट। आई विल डेफिनेटली गो थ्रू द वेबसाइट, आई विल गो थ्रू द अदर थिंग्स यू विल शेयर विद मी एज वेल अबाउट दिस पार्टी, bridge party, and I'm sure that anything what is going to bring development to the lives of people, कोई भी ऐसी चीज जो लोगों की फलाह के लिए हो, लोगों को फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रांग करे, उनको इकोनॉमिकली जो है स्ट्रेंथन करे, तो वो हमें सबको मिलके करनी चाहिए। जैसे आपने बोला कि मिलियनर वुड बी स्मॉल थिंग, इसका मतलब ये है कि जितने ज्यादा फाइनेंशियली हमारे लोग स्ट्रांग होंगे उतनी ज्यादा खुशहाली होगी, और मेरे ख्याल में जितनी खुशहाली होगी उतना ज्यादा जो है ना वो क्राइम रेट कम होगा, लोगों के अंदर जो है ना अमन ज्यादा फैलेगा और
बिल्कुल
चीजें बेहतर से बेहतरीन होंगी। बहुत
बेहतरीन।
शुक्रिया आपका।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आखिरी में मैं बस इस पैगाम के साथ कि वो सारे खुश नसीब हजरात, खवातीन, बच्चे जो मक्का मुअज़्ज़मा में, मदीनतुल मुनव्वरा में, बैतुल मक़दिस में, करबला मुअल्ला में, नजफ़ुल अशरफ में क़याम करते हैं, हमारे हक़ में ख़ास दुआ करें कि हमारी ये उम्मीद कि हम 2 बिलियन मुसलमानों को हज का फरीज़ा अदा करने के साथ साथ रिज़्क़ हलाल भी मुहैया करें, ये उम्मीद हमारी बहुत जल्द 2024 में तमाम हो, और हम वो खुशनसीब हुज्जाज किराम जो हज का फरीज़ा अदा कर चुके हैं वो बाकी लोगों को $8,000 का कर्दन हसना मुहैया कर दें। जब आप कर्दन हसना मुहैया करोगे तो कर्दन हसना की वापसी जो है वो मोहम्मद, अतीक, माई सेल्फ एंड इलॉन मस्क गारंटी करेंगे कि आपका कर्दन हसना हम लौटाएंगे, और आप जो है 100 शेयर्स के मालिक बनोगे हमारे सैम्स TQLMA क्लब हाई टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनीज के, और इंशाअल्लाह ताला 1,000 दिनों के अंदर आप अपने 1,000 स्क्वायर यार्ड के फार्म हाउस के मालिक बनोगे, और आपको जो है ना ईसुजू की ट्रक जो है, जो कि एक बेहतरीन ट्रक जो है पाकिस्तान में मैन्युफैक्चर हो रही है, वो ट्रक आपको मिलेगी ताकि आपके पास वो सारी चीज़ें मुहैया हो जो आपको चाहिए एक सस्टेनेबल टोटल क्वालिटी ज़िंदगी गुजारने के लिए। तो बस इस पैगाम के साथ कि सारे लोग हमारे इस प्रोग्राम में शामिल हो, हमारे इस पैगाम को हर ज़बान में हर एक एक 8 बिलियन लोगों को आप पहुंचा सके इस तरीके से, और हम सबको चाहेंगे कि सारे लोग जो है ना एक शेयर के मालिक ज़रूर बने हमारे $80 के जो 53 PGC का एक शेयर है, ताकि हम आपको सैम्स टेस्ला 53 PGC गोल्ड कॉइन जो मोहम्मद हमें सोना प्रोवाइड करेंगे उससे हम बनाएंगे पाकिस्तान मशीन टूल फैक्ट्री में, और वो तोहफा जो है हम 8 बिलियन लोगों को देना चाहते हैं। तो इस पैगाम के साथ कि हम सब लोगों को खुशहाल पीसफुल ज़िंदगी जो है मुहैया कर सके, सारे लीडरान को हम यूनाइट कर सके ताकि सारे जितने भी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स दुनिया में हैं वो ख़त्म हों, और हम जो है सब लोगों को इकोनॉमिक तरीके से रिवाइव करके एक पीसफुल ज़िंदगी मुहैया कर सकें। शुक्रन जजीला, थैंक यू वेरी मच। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिन व बारिक वसल्लिम वरहम व तरहम कमा सल्लैता व सल्लमता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद व आखिरु दावाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। Thank you very much, Brother Muhammad. Thank you very much, Brother Atiq Raja.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you. Walaikum assalam. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
बहुत शुक्रिया जी, थैंक यू। बस
थैंक यू सर वेरी मच। और अब इंशाल्लाह ताला नेक्स्ट मीटिंग हमारी जो है ना हम स्केड्यूल करेंगे हमारे कैंपस के ऊपर, ठीक है जी। और अब आप सबको इनरोल करना शुरू कर दें। हमारा जो 253 का प्रोग्राम है ना उसमें सबको इनरोल करना शुरू कर दे। हमने एलाइट बैंक में अभी अपना और मीज़ान बैंक में भी हमारा जो है ना डॉलर अकाउंट खुल रहा है, तो वो डॉलर अकाउंट के अंदर सारे लोग शामिल हो। और फिर ये हमारे जो है ना मैंने 100 मिलियन का टारगेट मोहम्मद कसूले को दिया था, बट एक्चुअली हमें 10 मिलियन डॉलर ही भेजने हैं जो हम भेजेंगे बस फाउंडेशन को पाकिस्तान से। तो जो है वो 10 बिलियन डॉलर का फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट वो लेके आएंगे इंशाल्लाह ताला। ये
और ताकत दे आपके साथ है। मैं इंशाल्लाह कमिंग वीक में कराची होऊंगा, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि हम जो है ना वो एक दिन कुछ साथ गुजारें, सारा बैठ के डिस्कस करें फर्दर चीजों को।
बिल्कुल करेंगे। और मैं आपको ले जाऊंगा, नहीं आपको हम ले जाएंगे हमारे फार्म के ऊपर ही, जो 553 एकड़ का फार्म है ना, पूरा दिन हम वहाँ गुजारेंगे और इंशाल्लाह ताला जो है ना सबको बताएंगे कि हम क्या मिलजुल के क्या कुछ कर सकते हैं। बल्कि आप चाहो तो सब लोगों को वहाँ इनवाइट करके
बहुत आला,
हम
बहुत
अपनी एक कॉन्फ्रेंस ही वहाँ पे प्लान कर सकते हैं पूरी,
ठीक है,
कि सारे लोग आ जाएं और
एक्सीलेंट,
उसमें
ऐसे
शामिल
कर
हो।
लेते हैं, ये वादा
अच्छा है ना, तो ये
बहुत
प्लान
अच्छा,
कर
ऐसे
लेते हैं,
कर लेते हैं।
बस ये
जी
प्लान कर
बिल्कुल।
लेते हैं इंशाल्लाह
तो
ताला।
मैं बस आपको डेट जो है ना सिलेक्ट करके देता हूँ, तो फिर इंशाल्लाह
बस
आप
ठीक
जो
है,
है ना आपके साथ ही होंगे एक दिन के
बस
लिए।
इंशाल्लाह।